guys, it's Naira. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? Hi guys. Today's video, baby, is going to be like recreating a look. This is 100% inspired by Arnella Armand. She has a series on her channel where she recreates hair and makeup of celebrities, and it's beautiful. She's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she looks like Linda Evangelista. She is so freaking talented. And so that's what inspired this video. I've been wanting to do this blonde hair for a minute, and then I saw Miss Kylie on my TL with this blonde hair, and I was like, I'm recreating that look. Give me that look, Kylie, it's fine. So you see me do this wig from start to finish. I mean, like very start to finish. This is brand new. It just came in the mail today. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I am in no way a hair professional. I'm the opposite of a hair professional. I'm a hair amateur. I'm not very great at hair. However, obviously I turned this look, didn't I? Okay. If you want to see me recreate this beautiful look by Miss Kylie, then you came to the right place. Keep on watching. All right, let's jump into this. I'm so excited. I'm freaking out. I don't look the best right now, but that's okay. All right, I'm breaking out a brand new bottle of Got to Be Glue for this. This is a special occasion. This bottle is like literally brand new. I've been saving it. I was supposed to wash my hair today. I didn't because I suck. Okay, let me just pull it back. I'm gonna do something that I saw Arnella Armand do. She does hair and makeup on YouTube, and she does it with Got to Be hairspray. I'm gonna do it with the glue. So what Arnella does is she takes Got to Be hairspray and she sprays it all around her hairline and then like tacks it down and then cuts the lace after, which is like, hello, genius or what? So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if like a lot of people do that because I don't consume a lot of hair content. I just watch the hair content that I do watch. So yeah, I hope that makes any sense. So I'm gonna spread this all around. And then once I put the lace on top of the glue, I'll know exactly where to cut the lace. Brilliant, just brilliant. Galaxy brain here. Let me tell y'all what Amazon did with my package. So they put it in like the little mailboxes, and at my complex we have like parcel lockers. So if you're getting a package delivered that's too big for your actual mailbox, they'll put a little temporary key in your mailbox, and that key will then open the locker number that has the bigger package in it, like your actual package. Instead of just doing that, USPS delivered it. It wasn't delivered directly by Amazon. They put it in there even though it was too big, and I couldn't get it out. Thank God, Brendan, it came with me, because otherwise, thank you. Otherwise, my freaking wig would have been stuck in my mailbox. I'm gonna take this edge wax on that toothbrush I was using, and I'm going to use it to help me like really flatten these sides of the middle part before I maybe pluck it just a little, because it doesn't need a lot of plucking. It really does look pre-plucked. I'll have a link to this wig down below. This is really good so far, but I'm gonna use this edge wax on either side, and then I'm going to put some concealer in my part. All right, cool cats and kittens. It's been quite a few moments later, and the reason being is that I couldn't get it right, and so I wanted to like move the cap. I was thinking to myself, the cap is either too far down on my forehead or it's not far enough back, and it definitely wasn't far enough back. I pushed the cap back and mwah, it looks beautiful. So I had to take it off, like, you know, unglued the wig, push the cap back, and then readjust the wig and glue it back down. So that's what I did off camera. And then I also fixed the part, and it looks great now. You will see at the end. My neighbors be speed drag racing, Tokyo drifting past my house. I'm tired. I was looking at the picture and I was like, does Kylie have on eyeshadow? And I think she does have on some dark brown eyeshadow, and then like the lid is neutral. So we're gonna do brows eyeshadow first. I'm gonna take this brown in the James Charles Morphe palette and just, you know, do it. That's it, that's that. I'm gonna go into this brown just because I want to warm it up the tiniest bit. I don't want to warm it up a lot, but like, yeah, that might be a little bit too much. Let me blend that out and spread it. I don't know if anybody else is a fan of Kylie, but like, I love her. I love her looks. And the funny thing about Kylie is she definitely has a makeup style. Like when Kylie does her own makeup, you can tell, not because it's bad, not because it looks unprofessional, but because Kylie has like a style that she does her makeup in. It's very cute. From what I can tell, this is about like just what Kylie has on her eyes, just like a little bit in the, mostly in the crease. So let's move on to the face. The face, I'm just going to mostly speed through so we can get back to styling the hair and finishing off. However, I did upload before this a video talking about how to like give yourself a new face using just makeup. It's like how I use my highlight and my contour and my blush and all that to really restructure my face. And it is super inspired by like the Kylie Jenner, the Stassi, that Kim look, like that look where you know that they have fillers and it still looks fab and beautiful. It's like 100% inspired by that. It's like how I can make myself look a little bit surgerized without actually having to do it. So if you're interested in that, I would say go ahead and watch. Just because, like I said, right now I'm just gonna speed through the face. Kylie didn't have lashes on, so I'm just gonna put mascara on real quick, which is like crazy to me. Y'all really be out here putting on makeup with no lashes, but that's cute. Just some like quick things about the face. Kylie's face, especially when she does it herself, is always matte, and she's always wearing a lot of like heavy pink blush, so that's what we're going for. Maybe I'm delusional. Well, I know I'm delusional, but maybe I'm being delusional about this. This makeup really mimics Kylie's well, I think. I think it does. Okay, two things I corrected off camera. One, she had a glossy lip, so I put some lip gloss on. And two, she had a wing liner, so I did that as well. Let's go ahead and take my little bow off. I was using it to like hold my hair down so the lace didn't lift. Okay. Now we're going to style it like Miss Kylie. I will have the reference picture on the screen. Now she has obviously those two pieces down in the front, and then she has two little pigtails in the back. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. And I bought rubber bands, that way I don't have to use hair ties. It won't look as thick. I did a similar hairstyle to this on a black wig yesterday, and I did it with hair ties, and so it looked a little bit thicker and it sat up higher. The rubber bands is gonna really like secure this. Okay, obviously, I have done some work off camera. I looked at the reference picture again and I was like, this is wrong. Like, I was like, this is just not the look. So I had to fix my hair off camera because it seems like today I can't get anything right on camera. I don't know what that is. However, I got it right off camera and I got there. That's all that matters, right? Guys, here we are at the finished look. Hair and makeup. I put lashes on. Don't tell Kylie. That whole no lash thing is ghetto to me, baby. It's ghetto. Kylie can get away with that because she's a billionaire. I'm not. I can't. However, I love this look. It's so cute and like so fun and flirty and playful. I feel like Baby Spice, like with the little tank top on and everything. Yes, this is very giving me very Baby Spice vibes, and I love that. All the products that I used and the link to this wig will be in the description box down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. I almost forgot, follow me on Instagram. Okay, Mwah! Bye.